Hey, glad you made it. Before we go, come on in and let me explain what's going on and what it means for our channel. This is my submission to Brian G. Johnson's 1 million view giveaway, and we're going in as the Veggie Nerds swinging for early submissions. But I also wanted this video to contain some value for you as someone visiting the channel. So count this as my first channel trailer. Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna go this way either. To Brian G. and everybody else here, let me introduce myself. My name's Eric, and I'm a vegan chef. I'm the nerd behind the camera coming up with fun, interesting ways to share my passion for cooking. I'm constantly looking to learn and grow, and I want to go on that adventure with you together. It's my belief that through cooking, we provide self-care and gain a respect for food. This space means the world to me, and to help it grow, to help more people, and heck, to get 1 million views, I'd do just about anything. I would yell, "The Veggie Nerd!" from my rooftop, naked.
Get a job!
Hey! I would write 1 million recipes in a dim, candlelit room with a pickle. I would stop motion animate a recipe for sushi while only speaking Japanese.
Itadakimasu.
And then I'd do it all again for vegan croissants in French, just because it sounds fun.
Ce verre avec coulé de fait un café.
I could make a Brian G. Johnson spoof. Hey, Veggie here to empower your self-care and to learn and grow together. And if you leverage this one piece of equipment, you're gonna increase the amount of recipes that you have available to you. Keep watching all the way to the end, and when you do, you're gonna feed a kitten. I've got 3 of them, and they're like always hungry. You dig? All that joking aside, I take this very seriously. I spend hours and hours every week educating myself on whatever could possibly make me better at delivering recipes. I study voice acting, cinematography, photography, script writing, audio engineering, and occasionally foreign languages. Also, I can share. The most important thing I do is I'd make a video. If making this one video helps the Veggie Nerd grow faster, then consider it done. At its worst, I had a little fun, and I got to show you more about me. Sorry if it was a little too much. And if I can't make one video that'll get 1 million views, then I'll just make a whole bunch until it adds up. Again, my name is Eric. I'm a vegan chef creating weekly food content with some occasional fun and sometimes a nerdy twist or two. Why don't you stick around a while by subscribing, and let's empower self-care through food together. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope we get to do it again soon.